Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check iOS 15, 0 or later, and at least 2 GB free space. Once done, make sure your Apple ID is signed in and a payment method is set even if the app is free. This prevents interruptions. Next, open App Store and search Nugget. If the app is in beta, switch to Test Flight and accept the invite. Follow these first actionable steps now so installation can proceed without permission or storage errors. You tap Get or Install and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. That grants App Store permission to download. Once installed, open Nugget and accept only the permissions required: notifications, microphone, and camera, because the app uses them for core features. Then follow onboarding. Create a new account or sign in with your Apple ID, set a display name, and choose preferences. These configuration steps let Nugget personalize content and keep features working smoothly. You finish by verifying sync and backups. Enable iCloud or the app's in-app backup so your Nugget data persists across devices. Then test core features. Record a sample, save it, and share to confirm everything functions end-to-end. If things go wrong, try the primary troubleshooting tip. Force quit Nugget, restart your iPhone, and if that fails, reinstall the app. Make sure permissions are reset in settings. This sequence resolves most install and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.